Pakistan has not been able to sustain high growth in the past. Experts say that educated middle class can play a part in sustaining continuous high growth, which is not cyclic. For that, business has to be inclusive in the policy making.
Develop cities, develop domestic commerce, let the market happen. Get the government back to what it's supposed to be doing.
Middle class can play a crucial role in progress of Pakistan, and their tendency towards tertiary education is remarkable. As compared to India and Bangladesh, ratio of Pakistani middle class acquiring tertiary education is higher. Private sector should come forward and play its role in order to catch the opportunity.
Make it possible for the middle class to enter business without too many difficulties. And that means taking a look at the regulatory system, so the middle class is not discouraged to participate in economic activities, and also access to finance.
Middle class in Pakistan ranges between 32 million to 80 million. Major portion of this middle class is dwelling in urban areas. Experts say that this middle class can play a part in service industry.
They are the key contributors to our economic cycle, of course. They contribute not only to the mainstream occupations in agriculture industry, but we are seeing their dominant presence now in the services sector and the way they are leveraging the services sector growth.
Experts say that private business can help service industry to develop and seize opportunity for their own growth in middle class.
There is a very, very large opportunity that still requires businesses to think differently or change their mode of conventional thinking to more structured thinking, to more forward thinking.
Declining growth rate in Pakistan has resulted into unemployment, while a little space is present for middle class to take advantage of growth opportunity. Experts believe that by providing opportunities to middle class through service industry, an opportunity for the overall growth of the country can be materialized. With cameraman Sohail Malik, Kashmala Chaudhary, SDTV Islamabad.